Question 8. I've got a position here and another position, and I want to find out what the gradient is. So you can just do that by trying to be a big brain and just looking at the coordinates and think, well, gradient is rise over run. And between these two coordinates, from A to B, it is rising from 5 to -4, which is going down, which is a -9. And it's going forward from A to B, 3. So you can do it like that and then say, well, that's just -3. You can use the formula to find gradient, which is this equation here, and it will give you the same result. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over, x2 minus x1. And then you will get, let's call this 2 and 1. So -4 minus 5 over 1 minus -2. Because the formula has a minus in it. So don't forget it if it's in the value. And that's why when we do this, we want to use brackets so that we don't do stuff like that. Anyway, so -4 minus 5 is -9. 1 minus -2 is 3, and you end up, and you get -3. Okay? Oh, I just looked at it. Yeah. So if you just want to look at it and think this is how much it rises. So from 5 to -4, that's going down. That's why it's negative. And then from -2 to 1, that's +3. Yeah. But if you don't want to do that because that's extremely prone to mistakes, you would use the formula. Matthew, are you okay? I know, it's a lot. Question B, find the equation of the line passing through A and B. All right, so equation of the line is trying to create something like this with the M and the C replaced with a number. So because in the previous question, we've already determined the gradient, we can use that and the coordinate that is on this line, which so either of these, to determine what C is equal to, and then that will let us create the line. So I know that M equals -3, and then if I use this coordinate here, -2, 5, x is -2 and y is equal to 5. And then I can plug those all in to get what this is, to then write my equation of the line. So 5 equals -3 times -2 plus c So what I've done there is, so it's -1. Now I know what that is. I can write my equation of the line. Okay. Okay. Shh. Shh. Coordinates of the midpoint. So we've done that recently. You'll just have to use the formula that's given to you, which is over here. Midpoint formula, and then the distance formula. So if you look at these two coordinates, again, you can just look at them and think, well, what's in the middle of minus 2 and 1? What's in the middle of 5 and minus 4? Or you can use the formula, which is that that's the midpoint. And all I did was use the formula. Excuse me, gentlemen, this is very difficult because of the talking. I only have 15 minutes left to get through the rest so that you have solutions to help you go through this in your own time. The distance formula is what you need to use here. But what I want to show you is how to find the gradient for a perpendicular line, which is if my original gradient is minus 3, all I need to do is change it so that and insert this value